Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Kraken to another wallet in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this step-by-step guide will help you move your Tether USDT safely and efficiently. By 2025, crypto transfers might have even more advanced security features, but the core process remains straightforward. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the verification process. It's crucial for security. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section. Here, you'll see a list of your assets, including USDT. Select USDT from your portfolio to get started. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to choose the network for your USDT transfer. Common ones include Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, TRC20, or others, depending on your receiving wallet. Double-check that your destination wallet supports the same network to avoid any errors. Now, enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. This is a critical step. Always verify the address multiple times to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. You might also need to specify the amount you're transferring and review any associated fees. Kraken usually displays these up front, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate the transaction with your two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. After that, sit back and wait for the network to process your transfer. In 2025, with faster blockchains, this could take just a few minutes, but always monitor your transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always use a hardware wallet for long-term storage to enhance security, and never share your private keys. Also, be aware that crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay cautious. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Kraken to another wallet in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.